Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change name on Pinterest. So to do so, first of all, go ahead and open up your Pinterest application. Once you open your Pinterest application, you'll be appear with the home page of Pinterest. So here on the bottom right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here on the top right corner, you can see the three dots option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be appear with the three options. Go ahead and tap on edit public profile. Tap on it and you can see your details, profile details. Here you can also see your name. To change it, just go ahead and tap on your name and clear it and add a new name that you like to add. Once it's done, you can just go ahead and tap on done and you are good to go. So that's all guys, this is how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.